Speaking about product design, who can be a product designer is the first question which comes to mind. Any person who is creative enough to build or engineer a product of his own can very well become a designer. It does not require an engineering background itself. A person from a different background also can come and be a product designer. Speaking about product design in detail, a person who understands the what, how and why of a product design definition can very well become a product designer. Speaking about design, there are three basic types of design. One is your adaptive design, second is your development design, third is your innovative design. A person needs to understand these different methods of design and understand the analogy that goes behind all of these design methods to be a good designer. Product designer can work in various industry sectors ranging from the sheet metal industry to the plastic industry. Our courses here at CAD Center are tailored by industry experts and designed by industry veterans, and they are also NSDC approved. The courses which you will be learning with us are not something which are taken out of a school textbook, but rather they are designed by industry experts and veterans who have been working in the design industry for 20 plus years. So the courses which you will learn here will be very industry oriented courses. Here at CAD Center, we do not believe in just theory. Hence, all of our design modules are tailored in such a way that they are case study oriented. We follow a project based learning method. At CAD Center, we will be providing you with 100% placement assistance. From creating your resume to cracking a technical interview, we will be training you on each and every of those aspects. From what do you have to say in an interview, how you have to conduct yourself in an interview, and how you have to crack a technical interview is all what we will teach you. In case a person fails to crack an interview at the first go, we will have a review with the person and we'll see what are the points or what are the places he or she has to improve upon. Our technical team will be guiding them through and will help them to improve themselves before they go for the second interview. We will be taking mock technical rounds, mock interviews, as well as mock HR rounds with the students before we send them to the interview. Here, in the expert course on product design, you will be learning not only 2D but also 3D. You will be taken on a journey from understanding a blueprint to making a 3D solid model in the 3D environmental software. The softwares which are used in this process will be AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA and various software so on. When you design your product, you first will be understanding the 2D elements of the product. You will be designing a blueprint of your product. That is, if I say it in technical terms, the front view, top view and the side view of your design. Later on, after designing the blueprint, you will be making a 3D model of the same blueprint in a 3D environment. So for the 2D environment, you will be using some basic softwares like AutoCAD. And when you come into the 3D world, you will be using some high-end softwares like SolidWorks and CATIA. People who have completed this course with us, that is the expert in product design course, they are eligible to go out into the industry and work as junior design engineers, junior CAD engineer or a product specialist. The pay scale for all these different job roles vary as per your expertise. They vary as per your job experience. They vary as per your skill level. So if I give you a range of the salary which you might be earning at the end of the product is basically ranging from 2.5 lakhs per annum to maybe 8 lakhs per annum. Many of our students who have completed this course are now placed with Tech Mahindra, HAL, Airtron, Gensol and even they are placed with TAFE. These are some few companies to name, and there are many other companies apart from the MNCs wherein small startups or small businesses many of the students are working right now.